Planning a trip to UK soon? If you're from one of the eligible countries, you'll need to apply for an electronic travel authorization before boarding your flight. In this video, we'll guide you through the process so you can apply it online quickly and correctly. So guys, you need to start by opening a browser and going to the official UK website, the gov.uk. Always make sure you're on the government website, not third-party service. Currently, the eTA scheme applies to certain countries such as Qatar, Bahrain, Jordan, Kuwait, Oman, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. It will expand to more countries in the future. If you're from an eligible country and traveling to the UK for short visits, you'll need to apply online before your trip. Before applying, make sure you have your valid biometric passport, a recent digital photo, an email address, and a debit or credit card for payment. Without these, you won't be able to complete the application. After that, guys, you just press on Start Now, and you need to apply in here on this page. The form will ask for personal details. You need to fill them in exactly as shown in your passport, including your full name, nationality, passport number, and date of birth. Enter everything carefully to avoid delays. And you'll be prompted to upload a recent digital passport style photo that meets the UK's government standards. Next, answer security and background questions, such as your travel history and health. Always answer truthfully, and incorrect information can lead to rejection. And the eTA application fee is currently £10 per person. Pay online using a debit or credit card. Once payment is processed, you'll get a confirmation email right away. Most eTA applications are processed within 3 working days, though many are approved much faster. You'll receive an email with your eTA status, so check your inbox and spam folders regularly. And once approved, your eTA is digitally linked to your passport. You don't need to print anything. The eTA is valid for 2 years or until your passport expires, whichever comes first. And with a valid eTA, you can visit the UK multiple times for up to 6 months per visit. If your passport expires before the ETA's 2-year period, you'll need to reapply with your new passport. Also remember, an ETA is not the same as work or study visa. It's only for short visits, tourism, or business trips. So that's how you apply for UK eTA online. Once approved, you're ready to pack your bags and travel without worries. If you found this guide helpful, drop a comment below and check out my other travel tutorials for more step-by-step help. Thanks for watching and safe travels.